Blood donation camp Pangthokhre ngasi Milan Laishram son of late L Momon Singh amasung L Subadani Devi Khangbo Part 1 Kholapum Lekai gi Kuntramathoi suba birthday celebration ka mari lenena Khangabok Development Society amasung Association of Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur Thobal District Branch loinena Blood Center District Hospital Thobal Khangabok kapunna kusamaduna blood donation camp ama Dr. Salam Robindro Blood Center District Hospital Thobal Khangabok Dr. Jortin Okram Vice President Association of Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur Thobal District Dr. Kuntrapam Roman Kumar Mangang Principal KMBHSS Khangabok Laimujam Pratap Singh Secretary Smart Security Service Manipur amasung Thokchom Biswarjit Singh President Khangabok Development Society na mathang sitna athoiba mithunglen thoramapu amasung akhanaba mithunglen oiduna Blood Center District Hospital Thobal Khangabok ta Pangthokhre Thoramasi Association of Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur Thobal District Branch ki chahi gi pangthokadaba blood program gi calendar gi matung inna pangthokpani ngasi gi blood donation camp pangthokpagi nunggi oiba warol Milan Laishram amasung Association of Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur Thobal District Branch ki calendar da yauriba blood program amasung need base ki togodaba kayasu association asigi secretary oriba Nabakumati sina miyamda amuk hana ningsingbiki ngasigi ipiba ki thoramasida Khangabok Development Society amasung Association of Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur Thobal District Branch Blood Donor 23 na EPK ningsing bayai Milan Laishramasi abjian ama oina masagi kunithoi rank shuba oina pikre loina mahaki birthday kamari lenana blood donation camp hokiba listing ani kun pandemic ki matamdagi hauna pangthoktuna lakiba hauji Association of Voluntary Blood Donor Manipur Thobal District Branch ki executive member amasung Khangabok Development Society Khangabok ki secretary oina su thopuri